Sounds drive.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, V back, and we're gonna do another highlighting tutorial, another banger for the streets, okay? But okay, before we even start this video, I just want you guys to see my first, second, and third videos. It is in my description. If you are interested in seeing those videos, they're all kind of related, so you just go ahead and click on those videos. But if you're not, just keep staying and watching. So today, we're going to do a different technique. So you guys know normally in my other videos, if you have watched it, I normally start highlighting from the front. But today, we're going to highlight from the back. And then also, what we're going to do today is we're going to use a different brand bleach, okay? We're going up. We're upgrading. We're getting better, okay? So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So we're back. So what I do to make it even, so 1 scoop of this ratio to 1 scoop of developer. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour this developer in here. So where the line stops, there's a line around. When the line stops, just stop right there. There's a line around this thing of the developer. You stop right there. So that's what we're going to do. I should get a tiny spoon to like, I have a little fork right here that I used to work. I say fork, I have a little knife right I used to work. I'm just gonna like take that out and just like scoop it down. So that's what we're gonna use to measure it. So 1 to 1, 1 ratio to another ratio. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop of this. Make sure it's on that line. Another 1 scoop of this. Make sure it's on that line. Then we're gonna do 1 more scoop. Make sure it's on that line. Then another scoop of this and make sure it's on that line. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and try to get that rest of those mixtures out of that developer to make sure we're getting everything that we need. So, oh gosh, touched it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna mix the mixture that I just did with a whisk. Don't use your your tint brush, because if you use your tint brush, it is not going to work. So this is how you make an even consistency using my Blondme bleach. So this is what I do, and it's perfect for me because I don't want it to be too clumpy and I don't want it to be too dry. So guys, what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how I literally like, you know, apply the bleach and, you know, place the foil and everything. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm going to part the back and we're gonna start the highlights from track by track, because the thinner it is, the better it is, in my opinion. Before, when I used to highlight, I used to just literally like take big chunks and, you know, I didn't really care too much about the back, but you know, we want to get professional with it, so you want to go ahead and really like weave through track by track, and that's exactly what I'm showing you guys right now. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see closer. Okay? Once you zoom in, once you zoom in, once you weave it, you're gonna go ahead and put that foil right underneath. Place the foil underneath, then you're gonna start applying your bleach, and the bleach is gonna help the hair stick on the foil. It's like a little attachment piece for me. Like, it just, like, once you start bleaching, it just sticks on, so it's easier to apply. Make sure you're putting enough bleach. Do not try to be, you know, cheap with your bleach. Cheap with your bleach is basically trying not to use enough bleach. It's not gonna work, okay? It's not gonna work. So you want to go ahead and really saturate that hair with your bleach, and yeah, that's all you have to do. Finish it up, then you just close up that foil and then go right up top to the next track. It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane.
out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. When all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan.
Soundstripe.
Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street. I like it over there.
Okay, so once you're done applying the bleach, you want to go ahead and just fold that piece over and fold the other piece over and just go to the next section, which is the top track. So that's about it. You keep doing the same steps all the way to the top, track by track, weave in, foils, close, track by track, weave in, foils, close. It's just so easy like that. So, but we're gonna just keep watching and learning from you.
Cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, yeah. Hey, take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah. All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see it's on the rooftops, hand in hand. Now, baby, why don't you take me back now?
Soundstripe.
Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me. Now, baby, why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, la 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 la. NYC, baby. Come on. La 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 la. La 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 la. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Manhattan, baby. Take me back to Manhattan. It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan.
Soundstripe.
Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street. I like it over there. Even though you think it is too crowded, like Blondme and all the lights. We'll take the wrong train till we end up on Wall Street. Forget the time, cause the hotel we get out of line. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, yeah. Hey, take me back to Manhattan. don't you take me back now?
Soundtrack.
Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me now, baby. Why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, la 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 la. NYC, baby. Come on. Ooh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Manhattan, baby. Take me back to Manhattan.
Soundstripe.
It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan.
Soundstripe.
Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street. I like it over there. Even though you think it is too crowded, like Blondme and all the lights. We'll take the wrong train till we end up on Wall Street. Forget the time, cause the hotel we get out of line. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, yeah. Hey, take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah.
Soundstripe.
All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see it's on the rooftops, hand in hand now, baby. Why don't you take me back now?
Soundstripe.
Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me now, baby. Why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin, where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost on Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, la 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 la. NYC, baby. Come on. Ooh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Manhattan, baby.
Soundstripe.
Take me back to Manhattan.
Soundstripe.
It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about like you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie, and I will wear my satin. When all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing.
Guys, so this was after I finished the whole head. First of all, I started in the back. I went all the way up to the front. I worked my way up all the way to the front. I went down the middle, then I went from side to side to get those foils everywhere. As you guys can see, there's barely any hair there. That means I really highlighted the heck out of this hair, and that's what you want to go for. Like, you want to really make sure that those highlights are really there and they're really popping. Okay, so what I'm just doing right now, I'm just counting it just to see how many foils I put in. But okay, so a lot of people always ask me this question too. Like, they always ask me, oh, how long do you leave it in for? You feel me? Da, da, da. I literally check my foils as I go, because sometimes hair does tend to process fast, and once it does process, what I just do is I literally take it out the foil and I spray it down with water so it can stop processing while I go ahead and I do my other, like, you know, highlight job. So it's that easy. So one other thing I did do after this video, but I didn't record it, was I washed her out. You know, I rinsed her out with warm water, cold water, whatever you want to do. Who cares? You rinse her out, and after I rinse her out, I let her sit in purple shampoo. The purple shampoo that I use is the Matrix purple shampoo. It's called Brass Off, I think. Yeah, Matrix Brass Off purple shampoo. And after I let her sit in purple shampoo for like at least 30 minutes, I went ahead and I rinsed her out and I added silicone mix. If you guys don't know silicone mix, if you guys don't know what silicone mix is, it's basically something good for your hair that it, like, basic conditions the hair, and I love to use it. It's the best, like, product I like to use to, like, you know, bring the hair back to life, you know, after color. So yeah, that's what I used to for this wig. And what I went ahead and I did, I let it sit in for an hour because I really wanted to, like, bounce back to position. Even if the bleach really does not really ruin the hair, the bleach actually makes the hair even better. I don't know, but that's what I think. But yeah, so use your silicone mix. And then now what we're gonna go ahead and do is use our Vihair wax stick, which can be purchased just at Vihairwigs.com, you know. And yeah, as you guys see, I use a hot comb to really sleek her down so the wig can look as nice and flat and sleek as possible. That's what that Vihair wax stick and a bomb hot comb does. Okay, then we're gonna get into the silk press, because after I silked her out, she looks great, she looks bomb. This is the finishing result. I'm so happy with it. If you follow all these simple steps, you're guaranteed to get the same results as me, because it's so easy. Like, it's so easy, it's not hard. If you really just pay attention and really take your time, you're gonna get these bomb highlights. But thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.
Sounds good.
Take me